Guess what time it is? Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today is May 8th, and I just finished doing my devotion. So I try to do this every single day and in the morning. And gusto ko lang din pala i-share sa inyo yung aking journal. So I actually started using this journal March of this year lang. Pero halos makakalahati ko OA. Medyo marami na akong pages na nagamit. As you can see, hindi siya mukhang fancy, hindi siya leather. Gusto ko lang talaga yung mga journal na parang straight up notebook, ganyan. And I got this from Papa Melrotti. I've been journaling since like 2015. I'd show you guys my old notebook as in parang pambata talaga siya. Pero nasa box siya ng mga storage sa kabilang room. Anyway, so ayun, this is what I use kapag I just wanna write down my feelings. Sometimes I put pictures if necessary. Love it for how simple it is. I also love that it's brown paper kasi mas comfortable ako mag-write kapag ganito. Because the ball pen that I really like using is ball tip. Pero masarap magsulat ng ball tip pen kapag ganito na rough yung paper. I don't know if it's just me, pero I love the combination. And also, I have this calendar right here. I got this from Shopee like a very long time ago. The thing with this one is hindi ko kailangan bumili ng calendar every single year kasi nga ikaw lang yung maglalagay ng mga dates and yung kung anong month yung sinusulat mo. So, perfect. This has been with me for years. Ayan, since may sentimental value siya. Hindi ko tinatanggal yung mga luma ko ng mga nakamark sa calendar. Anyway, I realized na I wasn't really vlogging as much nitong term break, so I decided to bring you guys along with me today para somehow I can give you a glimpse and para rin ma-document ko para mabalikan ko in the future kung ano yung ginawa ko this term break. Ayun, come spend the day with me and yeah.
Guys, ima-make my mom some matcha pero mamaya pa ako gagawa ng sa akin.
Good afternoon. It's currently quarter to 3 p.m. na and I'm about to make my own matcha. I'm so excited to show you guys. Though napakita ko na siya kanina, ginawan ko kasi si mommy and now it's my turn to make one for myself. And usually mga ganitong oras ko talaga siya ginagawa. Ewan ko, ayoko yung parang lunchtime, tas yun yung inumin. So, madali na akong makapag-vlog ngayon kasi meron na akong maliit na tripod. Tapos, binigyan pa ako ni daddy nitong maliit lang din. Wait, let me show you. Ayan, parang ganito siya. Though hindi ko 'to nadala when we went to Batangas kasi wala pa ako nung kinakabit here pang phone. Wala lang, ang cute lang. By the way guys, I am no expert. As in, ginagawa ko lang talaga kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. And then, this is the matcha that I use. So, I already tried one before. Nagaling talaga siyang Japan. Pero kasi parang may halo na yun siya. May pagka-milky. Medyo magulo yung scale ngayon ha. Medyo nag-iiba-iba siya ng number. And then, I like to add itong stevia. Pero half lang na to guys. Ay, sabi ko half lang. Nabuhos ko lahat. Ginagamitan ko rin siya nitong frother. Pero, later na yan. Na-try ko na pala guys, yung sa Matcha Tokyo. Last time, I went to Eastwood. Tapos, dun ako nag-intay. And, honestly, I liked it. Ito pala yung gusto kong i-share. Super cute and perfect size lang siya for like my matcha serving. I like to add a little bit of salt. Tapos, condensed milk. Let's add that here. 2 ice cubes. Perfect na yan dyan sa baso na yan. And then, outside. And ito guys, super tinatansya ko lang din talaga to. Taste test. Cheers! Also guys, I'm in my current favorite, puro na lang favorite, pero legit, like this is my favorite spot here sa house. So yan, I have my laptop, tas may charger na rin dito. And here's my matcha. Nakailang matcha na ako. Nakailang sabi na ako ng matcha sa video na to. Grabe. Actually guys, fun fact, first time ko na try yung matcha, I was in 10th grade yata yun. Tapos nung una, hindi ko pa siya nagustuhan. Tapos nung second try ko, sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna give it like another chance. Nasarapan ako. Gusto ko rin pala i-share sa inyo guys yung current na kinaadikan ko na YouTuber and super comfy ng vlogs niya. Her name is Linian Wenes? Win? Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This is what I watch kapag bored ako. Tapos sa gabi, I watch my current series, which is The Good Doctor. And another fun fact, we started watching The Good Doctor, I think mga pandemic or like a year post-pandemic. Tapos, bitin kasi yung ano niya sa Netflix nung time na yon. Parang bitin yung seasons niya hanggang season 4 lang yata. And I never really got like the urge to watch it or to continue watching it. Kasi nga parang, you know, I was watching it with my family. Gusto ko, pag kinontinue ko, kasama rin sila. Pero, ito kasi recently, may napanood ako na edit on TikTok that made me want to continue the series. Gusto ko siyang matapos. So, kahit medyo gusto ko siyang panoorin with my family, sabi ko, iko-continue ko na siya habang term break ko pa para less guilt, ganyan. And so far, na-enjoy ko nga siya. And I'm currently in season 6 and hanggang season 7 lang siya. So medyo nasa esipangs na ako, guys. Medyo na-emo na ako. If you guys are looking for like series to watch kapag bored kayo, I recommend Manifest, Good Doctor, Young Sheldon. Oh my gosh, I love Young Sheldon so much. Guess what time it is? It's the Good Doctor time. It's currently 12:51 in the morning. Hindi ako usually ganito ka-late nagsa-start manood. But since I had to alter my pants today, ayun yung last video na nasa YouTube ko. I'm actually so proud of myself kasi talaga nagawa ko siya as in successful siya and lalaban ko na lang yung pants tomorrow. I'm so excited also. Itong pinapatungan ng laptop ko right now is a pile of clothes. So we are going to be folding some clothes as well as we are watching The Good Doctor. So I'm so excited. Check ko nga kung anong episode na ba ako. Currently, nasa season 6, episode 2 ako. Pero nasimulan ko na pala siya yesterday. So, let's continue watching, shall we?
everything in our power to find a new art. Is there any way that we can help you? Any pre-op echo or operative reports that you'd like to see?
What kind of stuff do you like to collect?
I collect Egyptian pottery. I got obsessed with being top in elementary school. I know, my friends all think it's very odd too.
The movie is done. You were trying to guess the actor's voice.
Yeah. Ayan.
We're trying to guess the actor's voice. The si Glenn Powell pala. And si Chris Pratt. I guessed that right.
Diba?
It's currently 10:38 and I just finished with my first online class for today. And then meron pa akong isa pang class ng 11 and then that will be my last class for today. It's my second day back to school. So honestly, this term it's a lot lighter than my previous term. So okay lang, kaya natin to. And also, we are going to I think we're going to Cavite or Tagaytay today to Ocular something. Naka-ready na rin yung bag ko and everything because I think mag-online class ako sa car. I'm gonna bring my laptop with me. Let's just hope for the best. I'm trying to practice, being flexible. Yesterday, I wasn't able to vlog that much, pero we went to Podium to eat and then we went to Opus. Tapos dun kami nanood ng movie. We watched Mario. Hindi ko pala na-mention I'm here for a week. Might go to Makati or BGC tomorrow. Let's see kung saan tayo mag-end up. Honestly kasi, super nagustuhan ko talaga sa Makati when Gael and I went. So, I'm very excited to go there, soon with my mom also. Kasi, turf niya rin yun dati.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. We're in the car park. Can go back. Found it.
We bought new lettuce. Ay, ganyan pala yan. Akala ko parang dito. I thought this one. Nandito kami sa Mexican restaurant.
We're gonna blow down the door until someone realizes you.
We're currently inside Ayala Museum and super quiet lang here. And also, wala naman nakasulat na no video. May certain areas ang wala na bawat mag-film. But it's so cool. Like, I love museums talaga. Ooh, ito yung paintings. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We're here now sa area ng mga diorama. It's so cool, you guys. Guys, si Rizal ay 5'3". May numbering siya. Ooh, Andres Bonifacio. I love this, OMG. Rizal completes the No Limit Challenge. Look. A scene from Zarzuela. Oh, cool. There's like someone over there as well. We're done. How was it?
I loved it.
Same. We're going to the store now. Guys, they have notebooks. Ito yung nakita ko. Postcards. We're on our way to a cafe. The cafe, di pa namin alam kung